Okay, guys, we're making some creamy chicken taco soup. I am kind of boiling down some onions just with a little bitty tiny bit of water just to get them soft as I want them. Then when they get to that stage, we're going to add us about 4 cups of chicken. I've already shredded it up pretty small. Then we'll stir that all together to get it incorporated. Then we're going to start adding all of our ingredients, guys. To start with, we're going to add a 28-ounce can of petite diced tomatoes. Use any brand you want. The store brand is all I could get. Petite diced. And I like petite diced. Now, you do not have to use petite diced. You can use the regular diced. To that, we're adding 1 6-ounce can of green chili peppers. Then we added taco seasoning. That was about a tablespoon there. It was about empty. And then 1 packet of Old El Paso taco seasoning. And you can add as much as you want. And I want to just say right here, once your soup gets all incorporated and it's cooking, then you'll want to taste it to see if it has enough taco seasoning in it. I did wind up adding some at the end. I don't know if I showed it, but I did add a little bit. Now we're going to add a 10-ounce frozen bag of yellow corn. A 10-ounce frozen bag of white corn. And you don't have to do that either. That's just what I wanted. You can do all yellow, all white. Now we're going to add, that's the chicken stock where I cook the chicken. We're going to add it until I get it as, juicy as I want it. But I am straining it because I just don't, guys, anytime you boil chicken, you need to strain it because it has that stuff that cooks off of it. And I just don't like it. I wound up using just about all of it. But you just want to get it as thin as you want it. Now I'm adding a block of cream cheese. Scraping off all the goodie. Of course, we don't want to waste any. Now we're going to start adding our spices. We start with salt. Guys, salt to your taste. Y'all know, y'all say I use too much salt, but salt to your taste, okay? Then we're going to add just a little bit of cumin. I just kind of sprinkle over it. It's I would say probably maybe 1/8 of a teaspoon, maybe a quarter, maybe a quarter. But just a little bit of that Mexican flavor is all I was looking for. Then we're going to add some crushed garlic. And I added about a little over half a teaspoon. Then we're going to add 2 dashes of Worcestershire. See, that's how I call a dash. You just turn it up and do it and turn it up and do it. Okay? Then we're going to let it cook a while. And then we'll need to taste it. Once it's cooked down a little bit and kind of married together, make sure you taste it. Okay, now we're fixing to taste. See there? I said we're going to taste it. So I'm tasting it to see. And I did decide it needed more taco seasoning. I don't know if I showed putting that in there, but I did put more in there. And I did add some sour cream. Added about probably 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Because that's all we had. But this stuff was so good, guys. It all got eaten one day. I take that back. Me and Sonny did have 2 little bowls left that we could eat on lunch the next day. But it was so good. And that's your finished product right there, guys. Dip it up in our bowl. Oh, I'm adding some black pepper. I see I'm about to get the black pepper. Now, I may show me putting in the taco seasoning. I'm not real sure. But I did put in more taco seasoning. Just because I thought it needed it. Now, Sonny did not. She did not think it needed it. I thought it did. So, but that's all. Y'all know spices are to taste. It's so that it's got the flavor you're looking for. Okay, now we're dipping it up, and that's it, guys. Y'all make you some creamy taco soup. Real easy.